Alright, we got the whole setup for 4th of July show. 20 shots in the air, an angle board of some random stuff, another board, a lot of Phantom products, and then Brothers and Forward. This is the firing system, 32Q firing system. We have 31 on there, almost perfect. 3 cakes. This is mostly 500-gram cakes on this board. It's humongous. And then this is the finale. 2 critical blasts, 2 molten cores, a Silversonic warhead. Got it all wired up. Took about an hour to wire up. So we'll be shooting on the lake, and should be good.